Science Digest, by unknown author. No description available. Fascinating science experiments for young people. Discover their own answers to specific problems. But will be encouraged to develop sound scientific attitudes and techniques as well. For this volume, noted science educator George Barr has compiled a carefully selected array of intriguing. The New Yorker, by unknown author. No description available. Homo Viator in contemporary fiction in European comedic cinema. Cinematic World Building, by Nicholas Laroux, game player.
The Carrot Ubiquitous Sieve, by John Nemec. This book is a translation of chapters 1 to 3 of Somananda's Siva Bonobos, by Calming Your Anxious Mind, by Jeffrey Brantley. Drawing on tech.
Mario Bauer, by Leon Hunt. This book takes a new